Hi everyone, welcome to Learn with Hassan, and today I am here to show you how you can send broadcast message on WhatsApp. Sometimes you like to send messages to a whole lot of people, and WhatsApp has a limit to the number of people you can send message to at the same time. So it will be better you use broadcast to send that messages to the number of people you want. And then the broadcast doesn't have any limit. So instead of using direct messages, you use broadcast, which is very, very safe and convenient. So let's go into it, how we can send broadcast message. So let's open our WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, we go to the upper right corner here, the more options. You tap on it and you will see this option, new broadcast. Then you tap on that one too, and you select the contacts you want to send your messages to. Let me scroll down to contacts I want to send my messages to. These are the contacts I want to send message to. I'll select these two contacts, and then on this symbol I will tap on it, and now as you can see I selected two contacts, and these are the contacts I selected. So any number of contacts that you select, they will all be here. And now you come to where we send the message or the message box, and you start typing. After typing your message, then you send the message, and each of them will receive the message separately, like a direct message, and none of them will see that you send the message to the other person too. So this is how you use broadcast message to send messages to others. And when they reply to, it will come individually. It wouldn't come in this group for you or the other to see that I'm in a group or something like that. It will come individually. So this is very, very effective, especially those of you who are doing business and the rest. So if you want to tell your customers whatever, you can select all of them, and then you broadcast the message to them so that they get it individually and they can reply you back. So this is how you set it, or this is how you use it in WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if the video interests you. You can as well hit the notification bell so that next time when we upload a video, you will get a notification. Also, you can share it for others to benefit from it. You can give whatever comment at the comment section. I'm here to reply all the messages or all the comments you will send to me. If it works for you, please comment down there for me to know that it's working. And if it doesn't work too, you can comment down there so that we find a way of solving your problem for you. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.